looks nice and juicy. Yummy. Ooh, can't wait to give that a try. Look, it's time to go say goodbye to Chad. So they're in the kennel. And Frankie swooped on both bones. You little thief. Go, Frankie. Oh, Daisy, you don't want it? Huh? You don't want it, Daisy? Yeah. All right, say goodbye, Mama. I gotta go get Chad. All right, you guys. So, we're watching Kira's Australian Shepherd. And he stays in here when we go. You got a little piece right there, buddy. But anyway, she's off to Japan, so we're watching her baby for her. And that's him. Say hi, Coda. Say hi. Say hi, Coda. All right, let's go get Chad. Here we go. Gotta get him from his 3-hour school day. That's it? Yeah. That's it. Lucky kid. All right, we're off. I gotta lock the door and everything like that, so let's go get him. See you in a few minutes. Okay, you guys, here comes Chad. Ah! Here he is.
No, I'm not.
No, you're not.
Exactly. I
You
won
look
something.
like you won something.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. That's cute. Tic-tac-toe. Oh, look at the little... Aww, how cute. He played a game and won something, I guess.
Yeah.
Aww. And a little tic-tac thing. Tic-tac-toe. Tic-tac-toe. I like the seahorse. I want it. I get to keep it. Anyway, I was looking over the menu that's online for this Fukuburger. Woo! You ready, Chad?
Yeah.
You want to go to our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day? Woohoo! It's a Fukuburger place here in Las Vegas, down in the Chinatown, near the Chinatown area. It's off of Jones, and it's a burger with a Japanese twist.
I've heard they're huge.
They are huge. We've been there a really long time ago. They've been around for a little while in Vegas. And it's been a while since we've been there. And so we wanted to share it with you today. So we hope you guys enjoy this. And everything like that. But anyway, I was checking them out. They have an online website. They look so delicious. I'm ready to give them a try again. Are you ready, Chad?
Yeah.
Yeah? How was school today?
It was good.
Yeah? Cool. All right. Well, anyway, enough jibber jabbering and let's get back and get going. Go eat lunch.
Yeah.
Actually, they don't open until 11:30. What? What? I know, it's only 10:30. Anyway, that's all right. We're going to get going and head on over there anyway. We'll see you in a few minutes, guys. Yay! Alright, you guys, so they didn't open until 11:30. We have an hour to wait, so we decided to come over here and walk around. Hi! We're gonna see what this little place is. Yes, sir. We're gonna see what this is, alright? Cool. How cute. I like it. Okay. Nice little stuff. Alright, yay, we get to go in now. Alright, here we go. That's the one I want. That's the one Chad wants.
Yeah.
1 and 2, that's what we're getting. Okay guys, so we just made our order. And it's a cute little place, it's kind of small. And they get pretty busy, there's a line already waiting. And I noticed in this corner back here behind me, you can play games.
Yeah.
You can come here and chill and play games.
I remember this.
Yeah. So it's pretty cool. Alright, well anyway, hopefully the food will come out in just a few minutes. I'm starving. Alright, see you in a few minutes, guys. Baby.
Big fries.
Ooh, yeah. Serve that for a minute there, huh? Alright.
Look at how good it looks.
That looks delicious. Yummy. So this is a sauce. That's some yummy fries. Burger down in there somewhere. Oh, look at that. Come over here. Oh, yummy. This is the tamago. And then this is Chad's Fuku. Looks yummy. Nice. I think I need to get a knife to cut it.
Kind of an undersized table.
Yeah?
Kind of an undersized table.
Yeah. The table is a little small, but that's alright. The whole place is kind of small, actually.
Yeah.
So, I'm gonna try. Yeah, the fries look yummy. Let's see what kind of sauce this is. Well, that's obviously ketchup. Really?
Yeah, the fries are good.
Are they good?
Yeah, good.
They have some good seasoning on it. Let's see what this. What is this? Ooh, I like that. It's like a mayonnaise with some kind of seasoning in it.
Yeah.
Wasabi. Is that supposed to go on the burger? I think it's supposed to go on the burger. I like it with the fries.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look at those. They're onion strings, not rings, strings. And it has an egg on there. Look at that. An egg. Oh, that's gonna be perfect. Woo, yeah. Okay, this is gonna be tricky. I dropped my napkin. I need to get another one now, but I'll get it in a minute. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. It's big. Look how juicy and yummy that looks. Oh my goodness gracious almighty. Woo! Let's give this baby a try. Oh. No way. That is delicious. That is amazing. That is so juicy. I took a bite. I had all kinds of juice flowing all through my mouth.
Yeah.
I can taste the teriyaki. I can taste a little crunch from the onion strings. It's pretty busy in here. There's a particular reason why, and it's because these are delicious.
Yeah.
The tamago. A little messy too. Well, how's yours? Good?
Yeah.
What's that on there? Is that like some kind of pickle? What's on there?
Some onions, this.
Like a little pickled onion,
Kind of
tomato, lettuce.
Yeah, traditional burger stuff.
Yeah.
And also some other Japanese sauces on there too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is a burger with a Japanese twist. So delicious. I like it. Anyway. Yeah. Yummy. They're a little messy. Kind of getting everywhere. But let me see. I'm going to try Chad's. Chad, you want to try mine? Let's see. Alright. You go first.
Alright.
What do you think?
I don't know.
It's nice and juicy, huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
Delicious, huh?
Uh-huh.
Alright. Let's see. I like the egg in mine.
I really like the
That's a... Go ahead.
I really like the onion strings.
Hey, don't eat all my onion strings.
Okay.
You got a nice, big, fat burger right here.
Yeah.
Order for Jerry? For Jerry?
Okay. Well, that's pretty good.
Yeah. I really like. Yeah.
It's so messy. I don't really think you can go wrong with any of them that you come down here and get. There you go.
Thank you.
Alright. It is a little busy. And like I said, that's for a reason. But it's good. Woo! Well, okay. Chad's cold.
Yes, I am.
It's a little chillier today, and it's windy, and it's... Yeah, I don't mind some little trash is blowing around. Stuck to my leg.
Yeah.
Attack of the bag!
No.
Well, anyway, it got pretty busy in there, but we do have a full tummy, and it was very delicious.
Yeah.
I'm getting seriously attacked by this bag. Seriously. Stay there. Okay. Anyway, now I have to pick it up later when I'm done here.
Oh.
But I have a full tummy. You have a full tummy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah. It was delicious, you guys. So if you come, check out the website and see for the food truck, the catering food truck that they have. And they have two places. And we're at the 168. We're at the 168 Market Shopping Center on Jones. And I'll have all the address and everything below.
Right next to
But
for real, right?
yeah, the same shopping center that we had for the for real. But anyway, you ready?
Yeah.
We hope you like our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day Full Belly Burger Japanese twist style.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yummy. So busy in there. But anyway, all right. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye. Bye.